like a butter. Eh? If my woman hand turns up. Oh God almighty. But I say me love when the woman rub your hand across all my beard.
Yeah, man.
Soft,
That
man.
is.
Love that.
I really love that you just get. That is the greatest love right there, so. A healer, you know? You want me to call Patrick? You want me to call Patrick? I'll call him. Yeah, man, my good man, I'm a soldier.
Oh gosh. Ronald. We link up here, Ronald.
Keep moving. Kaya,
Yes, my there, man.
the world I'll wait for home. Alright?
Yes, I.
Respect, Rondie.
Later. Well, go on with Betsy. You are gonna sell it?
Oh. I go back to that. Wrong way. Never start back here now. One out of 50 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes now.
I want the battery dead.
No, I leave them. Nah, feel me, man.
You know, ever start when a car can start, we just lick the starter at the bottom.
You start. So they get to start.
You know, make a nice day for your film. Nice day for your film. So how I can help you fix it? Something burn, you know?
No, man, I'm telling you, the wire.
Which wire?
Slack in it, sorry.
Come on, you're a mechanic, man. Or you turning out and so slack. Something burn, you got a wire upon something in the bridging.
I don't know why, probably.
You burn off the wire, man.
Change the wire. Change the start. Change the start wire there. Change the wire there.
Lead or not?
No, no. Okay, change it.
What is the lead?
Yes.
Oh, the lead you say I run hot?
Mm.
The lead is the thing where it connect to the from the battery to the. So what burn?
I lead man, I run hot man.
Oh, it
Yeah.
run hot.
Z.
Sky loose, too light.
Oh, okay.
Right. Want another one.
Oh, so basically you need a thicker lead. It burn out. Jamaica Good Life. We need a new car. Can't go on the mission. Eat a banana, chubby. Welcome to Filmmaking Central. Gorilla Filmmaking, you hear me say? You want a banana?
No, sir.
Banana, you know.
You gonna jump it? The dog go bush with you. You know, Sir Patrick a big mechanic, you know. Yes, it does.
Ah!
What, what?
Listen.
You know you didn't hear something there, man.
You tell me.
You must say chubby there, what you not hear?
You say chubby, what me say chubby?
Yeah.
But I don't realize say you be coming here. Chubby.
Morning.
Me have left my work early still.
So,
Wait, you know,
I want,
You see that much I left before you come and the car shut off?
how you can easily come down?
At the rain.
They say gone through. Gone through. What?
Left hand sitting.
Battery dead.
Yeah.
So you need a battery.
Jump start.
So this a one slap.
The battery dead out. You don't know why you can't give it a drum start?
If me know nobody, you know if you have pass you so.
Oh.
You know what you
No, so what do you mean?
have no.
One near you.
You see how the place is. So when you see a vehicle a pass, you make sure you stand up in the road. And you push the car in the road to make him pass. You want a jump start. So you need cable. You have no wire. So in battery dead, that means you want a
How
jump.
come you're a sweet boy mechanic? You look like lifestyle of the rich and famous
Something
mechanic.
a pass you now, we don't know. Nothing a go pass you now.
So say start, man.
Where you jump cable?
I don't
You know? What kind of mechanic you are, you know? No jumper cable. Yeah.
Everything there hard.
You,
I travel with everything.
you're Hollywood kind of. Yeah, Hollywood Jamaican without a jump cable. It's a bed today. Jamaica, next time I come, I can't do the work in Jamaica if I don't make me suffer, so, you know. Just, you know. So you say you find the donkey?
Yeah, the man tell me, sir, yeah. See, man, me tell him call me back last night.
Yeah.
And he tell me, say, yes. The donkey ready.
The donkey ready?
He say 25G. And him start walking donkeys, a young donkey, him say, Jack donkey. So, me say, yes.
Alright, I deal with
Just
it.
like that. And my virgin have a link where carry me go market. So him have a link as
Silent Hill.
Silent Hill, supposed to get back up so.
So Patrick can't get old. I see the grey hair now.
No hole, you know. I know nobody with no hole thing, man, no hole in my head. Tell him, man, no hole in.
Man, an eagle.
I'm no hole, man. How old is?
Me? 45.
Yes, sir. You know, say me have 52 this year.
You're 52.
You tell me, say, old. At 68, my born, you know. So, yeah, man, what kind of players you want?
Anyone else?
Name, no, man. Name.
You don't have vice grip on this.
Eh?
No, 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 vice grip.
You want bird beak?
No.
You want...
Regular players.
Yeah, my bag of tool, you know, because my engine about me, I have to fix it myself.
Yeah.
Live from Jamaica to Ratted. Man, I know all. Man, an eagle.
Man, not deal with all. Yeah, man. You get around money.
Alright, now see if him then here, you know.
Alright.
Come let me know.
Mechanic, me I go send you a starter.
No,
You know, want me bring you a starter when we
Send
come.
me a chisel tool.
A chest or tool.
Yeah, me fix the problem then.
Enough people there so listen to this. Alright, Jamaica, when you come wrong, bring a set of tool for iron, alright? Enough man I watch this live
Iron
now.
this my boss.
Kaya, sorry, I'm hungry too.
Hungry, we cannot think straight.
Bring a set of tool for Kaya and some battery and thing, put it in the barrel and buy a new car and send it come to cause we
Yeah.
need a car
Yeah,
for Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah. Real.
I can't make me dip on the mission, so. Right now we're at Angelina house. Real life. Jamaica Good Life. See there. Chubby, you hungry?
Yes, man.
You don't eat no food since morning.
I know, so my man is hungry. You know.
You need to go eat a banana, you know.
Yeah.
See the view there. Patrick will get him donkey. Elders them will come through. I go leave from here, so go Baba, go check Baba and the people them. The little girl's shoes in my bag. Everything on the support, get with this far. When I reach St. Thomas, when I reach St. Mary, go Niggerel Fabric. But just start the movement. Push Bantan show coming up on the 16th. There I'll be taking. But Jamaica's a slow paced life, so everything good. So the hillside there. No problem. Blessings. Look on the view, man. Look on the view. Look at the view, people. Just sit down here, so you see the little room there right there, so. That is the room more of a build phone up with a big window. When I come sit down here, so. And just check that out. In time. Yes, it's nice and hot. Blessings. Who out the road? Not Marie. In a situation and him still smiling. That's the essence of Jamaica. Jamaica is a place where when car broke down,
Not care with us.
you just move with it.
Move with it.
But the one you say no. It says, I love Jamaica and Jamaica loves me. The one you say no. The view is to die for. I can only just imagine waking up to that view. You can, you will soon. So Patrick the King there.
That's what Chang in about. Can't work.
He said no. It says priceless. It says yes, Jamaica is
No,
beautiful.
yeah, I get him, but in the man living.
Awesome.
In the man living, him now go help me now.
Here I come. Ah. See? Alright. See the dog there. See the dog there. So here I'm going to build a room right there, so. Go on to nothing. Understand, Rondie, have a vision, it take time. We got the give thanks to Dan. We got the donkey from this auntie in the house. This is the woman that you see preserved the 100 herbs that we lay out on the channel. This is the family that have the knowledge. So now this little room here, so I'm gonna build upon it. Put a big window in there, so you're in a big bath. You see me? And you're going to come right there and you're going to turn around. Eventually, you're going to turn around. After we build a room right there, so we're now going to turn around and then I'm going to see this right here, so. Want to see the vision? Yes. I can start booking a room from now. Yeah, call me 646-330-9150. Boom! So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get a car. But I'll get help with that. Second thing, we're going to start build. This is the second Rondie retreat. The first one up on Norway. Boom! On the part of the family. We're now going to go to two bush, Baba Bush and Patrick Bush. Boom! We have 7 acres on the Negril for the camp out. So we have 3 locations. We're going to St. Thomas, 17 acres there, Nadine House. Boom, we're going to set up a base camp there too. So when you go up on the journey, the expedition, you'll have the best view in the world. When I was 2 years old, this is where I get my healing from the greatest healer, Angelina. So everywhere I live, I come from Jamaica, we are King Maroon, up top. We're up on the top. Back in the days, yeah. Oh, the thing I cut out must be data.
And where you gone? Probably you had a better service right just now.
I just my data. I think my data reduced, so you know, probably 2G now. Okay, no, I'm not tool like I'm a big time mechanic.
When you expect care for
You have a tool all the time. Right, hello.
Baby. Look see?
Jamaica, see the soldier there. Soldier around the back palm back. 1 pound back. See the soldier there. See the weights machine there. See the food there. Yeah, see the banana there. See the camping gear there. See the things there. Second trip. Teaching how to camp out in Jamaica. Got your water, sleeping bag. This tent, remember when we bought the tent? Run the samurai. Alright, let's move. See that? We're going camping, people. Shall be talking, as always. So camping, bro. See him there? First trip, Patrick. Me sooner or later. I'm a bad man, you know. I have my knife, you know. I have my knife. Can't waste no time, you know. So, me sooner or later. Need my 2 hands, them. Yes, Rondie there. Give me your name again.
Joel Barnes, my name.
Joel Barnes. Right now we'll go. It'll be a scam. Where you live now? Kingston. You know, so people, enough people want to follow my footsteps, you know.
Yeah.
They want to come Jamaica and do what me do. Yeah. All over the world. Yeah. So, now I bring them camping.
Well, I'm going to catch more work in the place here, you know.
Eh?
Yeah.
What kind of work you doing?
Eh?
What kind of work you doing? Yeah? Yeah. You want a visa? You want a visa? This is the life we love, man. We don't know what to have. We don't know what to not have. That takes another one, sir. Grass lice. People, a couple more days of this. You're not gonna hear me blow no more. Come for workout, you know? And just detox, relax and get some sun. No crime, no much wrong here, sir. Everybody know everybody. Welcome to base camp, ground zero. Around June them time, yeah, Them fruits you grow, right? Alright. Where's the shed there? The shed. Yes. I just base camp, people. Base camp. See that? Base camp. See that? See that? I go set up around there, so. Yeah. We're going to set up base camp right here, so. See how Joel Barnes, the king there. Alright. I'm going to put this in the shed so no ants not going there. No man, I'm good there, so. I want to make another trip. Yeah. Yes, Joel, man, talk to me now. So what you say do at Kingston now?
I just do a Kingston, man, build work on house and do the cutting there.
So how you learn?
Eh? I do my trade, man. And just work it from back in the days back.
How much them pay you a week? How much them pay you?
I reckon I don't know if maybe what I would them pay like whether I do. Work with that day.
A day work you do?
Everything here sometimes I do the work with your wife. I reckon I do like contract work, you know?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm on the office here, just link man in car and put on it and price it. Clean up in my work, I'm on it.
Okay.
From where you to go and then I couldn't clean here.
Okay, just relax.
So then you go sometime you can start and close after my time.
You get your bike yet?
I'm not going to bike it.
You save up Pete?
I think we can just I'm by soon, yes.
Yeah. How old are you now?
I'm 24 now.
24? People, see the king there. Right now, I'll make one more trip, you know. So you're okay with Patrick?
Yeah, man, Patrick's a fire, you know. Alright, fire. I didn't see him, but I might, you know. Yeah.
Yo, come on, go on. You always ask direction, you know, send $100 come here to know. You need to send $100 so I can insure the car here. You need to send $100 so I can insure the car. Yeah, man, the car broke down. I'm there, my auntie, Manchester, Mandeville. No, man. It's my second house. You like it? What you say now? Everybody love the place, you know.
But nice here, but
Yeah.
nice place, you know.
What do you mean? You're going to see how much people come around here when them see me camp out?
Yeah.
From all over the world.
Yeah.
This is Rondie. This is a camping trail. So I want you guys, you can rent my tent or bring your own tent. If Joel Bonds is here,
Yeah.
he'll take care of you. But we'll give you peace, safety, love, good food. Me tell them some what I bring it go now. Me tell them some a soldier. So see it here. When I get rid of the fear and live life. This is training for now. You know see, Joel Bonds. These people are some of the most wealthiest people in the world, see?
Yeah.
That's his money, that's his wealth. But they're never out of food, right?
No.
Never ever out of food.
Never.
Food always in the ground. So now the trail camping park is not too far from Patrick's house. So when you go on the Rondie camping trail, you call me at 646-330-9150. And you could use my tent, or you could bring your own with your own sleeping bag. And we'll discuss the cost from there. The people around here will take care of you. Welcome to Rondie Retreat. This is where you detox. No ticks, nothing to bite you. Privacy. Smoke all you want to smoke. Drink as much mint tea as you want. See the inner Jamaica. Meet the people. Buy some food, go to their house. They'll cook for you. This is the real Jamaica. It doesn't get realer than this. I've been bringing you on this journey. Now I'm going to live it and show you. I have my frying pan, I have my banana, I have my water, I have my knife, and Joel Bonds, guess what? Them can use my frying pan too.
Sure.
I'm going to rent my frying pan to them.
Yeah.
All right? We're going up the hill. You're going to make another trip with me?
Come on.
So,
I know where I want to go first.
all right, cool. Yes. Joel Bonds going home. You remember the guy that did the herb? He lives there. Let's turn around and show you the view. You remember the lady with the shoes? She lives there. Okay. So these people, the dogs are here. Go on, go on. You don't know nobody can give a jump. Are you okay? They can't, you know no friend who can give it a jump start.
Let me try it with them.
You try? You know what? Alright. Yeah man, I got the about. Alright. What's your name? Give me your name. Wayne. That's right. Oh, go on. We need a jump start. Mr. Car, we need a jump start. What, are you your car? Eh? You don't drive? We have car park up in the drive.
You have a car?
Them have a, see the lady there where they have the shoes? Yeah, they. So the people that are friendly will come to put this place on the map. Because now we're up on the map.
Oh, yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
We'll come to help out the farmer them. Look there man. Look there. Look at Jamaica. The official. This is Litchfield. Oh, I'm so now. Now let's see. I'm not going to stay at the whole day, you know. Might as well help me bring in some things. Ah, but by the time I'm done, set up camp and cook my food and it's still there.
What taxi run?
Yes.
Taxi run on the bike.
I'm not eat yet. Patrick, can I make some food to eat? Yeah, they're right, that's right.
That never go on there.
Can't waste time with them, you know. I have to set up my,
Man, do your thing,
I
man.
have to set up my camp, you know. We can't waste time with them people. I like for
Yo,
that.
check you want to go what's you want to came, brother.
Patrick. Can't buy something to drink and eat. So I shop there.
Oh no, something to drink and eat.
Yeah, the buy something.
It's a key man, be a soldier. It's a church, you can eat them wrong.
Yeah,
Right? It's joke.
yeah, I can't come, but I don't foresee it. I
No.
thought foresee soldier.
Oh no, I eat.
I'm a care, but don't I say me alright. How big a set on it?
Man, I'm saying them not want to bread and sardine.
Shop those right down there for still now.
Let's try this one. When I leave you, we'll get that one here. You always get our shades.
Yeah, kid knows something like that and how to grow knife from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, when you step out in a Kingston, you know, nobody now really say nothing to you, you know. They're not going to say no. They're not say nothing to him, you know.
See that one, you know?
They were sure to have seen it. See it.
Oh, man. I know that.
You see them sitting there say, no, we're not. They're not going to really say nothing to him. Because see the